Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both sides. Make sure the earphones have some charge and you know the pairing button location, because a low battery or missed button wastes time. Once done, put the earphones into pairing mode. Hold the power/pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks blue or alternates. Then open your phone or laptop Bluetooth settings, scan, and tap the earphone name. If a code appears, confirm it. This establishes the secure link, so audio and controls work. After pairing, test the basic controls: play, pause, skip, and volume. Press the earbud buttons to learn tactile feedback, because muscle memory saves time later. Next, make sure the device prefers the best codec available. Choose aptX or LDAC when possible to lower latency and improve fidelity, especially for video. Once you understand controls and codecs, enable multipoint if you regularly switch between phone and laptop. This keeps calls and media switching smooth, without repairing every time. Finalize setup by optimizing fit. Try different ear tips and perform a quick seal check with a bass-heavy track so you get both comfort and isolation. Make a habit of checking battery percent and using power-saving modes. Charging before full depletion prolongs battery lifespan. If audio drops, latency spikes, or controls fail, first power cycle the earphones and device. Then perform the earphone reset sequence, usually a 10-second button hold, and remove and repair from your Bluetooth list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.